here at Farmers Market.
You know,
Farmers Market, Cuba,
I miss the farmers
Canada.
Alberta, Canada.
Namimili kami ng fresh vegetables. O yan. Tingin tayo doon. Abonay. Yes. We have craft. Ayan. Same din sa kabila ng mga pandog. Ayan o, vegetables. Kuha ka na, Dad. Ito, malaki-laki itong bili. Ay, kasi parang mas malaki doon. Ano, fresh na fresh. Baby carrot. Ito tayo sa kabila. Ito pa na eh. Ang maganda dito, mas maraming kainan. No? Dito na yung merong ano, may meat din na. At kaso sarado pa. We have beef store. May ganun din sa kabila eh. Na feeling ko same. Ay, oo nga. Stillwater din yung brand. Same lang. So nice. Curry. Wow. Cookies. Yeah, mamaya na. Dito. Mabakal. We have hanky here. Coco. Ayan, pili tayo sa ano, Phil Sebastian. Diba, pumunta pa kami sa downtown para sa kape na yun. Forno. Ito, Italian, no. Do you like something, Dad? Same na same lang sa kabila. Shawarma. Ito yung ating favorite coffee. What do you like? I'm here. This one. Anong gusto mo coffee? Ate. Kuha ka. Sorry. Princess. Nako, same thing lang oh. Diba we have this one sa other ano?
Jelly.
I don't know. You can just look. There's a lot. Doon sa kainan sa kabila. They have ano, yung Korean nak, yung corn dog. They have it here.
She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll serve her.
Your favorite, which what? Wow, tuna. Yan ba yung order mo sa kabila? Yan na, let's go. Going to buy vegetables. They have florist blossoms. YYC.
Sorry.
May ano yung bread.
Chocolate ko siya.
Later na.
Baka maubos eh.
Kain na. Ano pa tsaka-tsaka? Ganok. That's organic. Everything the same. Sweet surprise. Dali na. I'll get some, ano. Ayun na, pili na kayo. We still have carrots.
Pili na.
We need tomatoes. Nay, dito tayo, Nay.
Tomato.
What do we need, Nay, for your pancit?
What?
What do we need for your pancit?
You buy carrots.
We have carrots. We have carrots. Tomatoes.
Anything else besides that?
We need broccoli, cauliflower. I want to have, ano, chop suey. We're gonna do chop suey.
Literally have not, that's not, it's a zucchini.
It's not a good one.
We have to move somewhere. I'll get some broccoli. Nakita na yung naka-chop na para it's ready.
Oo, ito gusto na.
Yan na lang.
Ang kuti naman.
Okay yan.
That one, oh.
I love broccoli.
Yan.
Same as me.
And same as her.
Ayan.
We're literally gonna fight.
O then get 2 bags.
Here, Nay.
And then,
Then sa, that one, the or the ano, cauliflower.
Ay,
Ito,
yun na
pangit.
lang. And then 1 cauliflower.
Beans.
Laman lang.
Be careful.
And then beans.
Get beans. We have carrots, ah.
what do you want? Carrots.
Good beans.
Those are organic, Nay. That's why it's expensive.
Anything?
We have carrots, Nay. We have carrots.
Ay, look. You want this?
Yeah, cucumber. Yeah, she
You
likes
have plenty of
cucumber.
money, huh? You're the richer in the pocket.
Yeah,
Richer
this
in
is
the
very
pockets.
rich. So you
Hoy, grabe sa rich.
What are you, kuya?
We claim it, claim it. Say thank you.
Thank
Ay, this is
you.
not a good, ano? Ay,
Manifest.
yung mani, yung
We have small ones.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, that
Teeny small.
one.
This one is really good.
Yeah, oh yeah. This one.
Are those cucumber? Parang ano yan?
Oh,
These are
Parang pickles.
these are mini cubes.
Ay, that's
I thought
good.
it's calamansi. No, it's a
You know
nice
that,
sprout.
ay, Nay,
Eggplant.
that is really good
Brussels sprout.
when you fry it.
Uy, masarap yan. Bakit natin pinatry kinana yung Brussels sprout?
Get one. Let's try
You
it.
have to try Brussels sprout.
But
Mommy, this one is good
we have
because
to
it's
do
small. Ano
fry
gagawin
it.
yan? Ipiprito tas cabbage.
Super sarap.
Di ba talong yan? Talong yun, ha?
No, that's a
This
little
is your mini cube.
mini cabbage.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Para
let's
siyang mini cabbage na,
That's
pero Brussels sprouts ang tawag dyan. Do you want this, Nay?
Now you want this?
Yeah, let's
Expensive.
get something.
Nanay loves this.
Yeah.
Nanay.
Get some plastic.
Oh, amazing.
O para ka nagpipita sa ano, bunga ng orange. What's that? It's ano ba yan?
Nanay, gusto
Mandarin?
mo tikman muna daw?
Oh yeah, let her try it.
Okay, one. Try me, try me.
Try it muna, Nay.
Ay, yan.
If you like it. Get the half one, yan.
Laway na to.
Try it first and then if you like it. May bagong gising ka, Nay. Tignan mo yung hair mo.
I'm gonna check if it's good.
If it's sweet, that's better.
Sinasapal pa naman niya yun.
Ay, tignan mo. Very wrong. Oh, wag na, wag na.
You want it?
Now, can you get ano, mushroom?
Yeah.
This one, white. The white one.
Okay, get that one. Red.
One red, one green. Nay, get this one. Get some white. Oh, you know what? That one na lang, Nay.
Ano yan to?
Yan. Yung mas maliliit, pili ka ng smaller. Masarap yan for...
Ano ba to?
Yan. Mushroom. Masarap yan for...
Ito na.
Ano? Chop suey.
Lagay ko to sa table.
Like chicharo.
Ay, yung
Shisharo.
I like it.
Yeah, for your pancit.
Love
Yeah, yeah,
chicharo.
Okay.
May cabbage tayo doon.
Yes.
We have a cabbage.
Yes, yes. Good ka na, Nay.
Yun na ako, yun na.
Dahil mo pre-taste. Is it sweet?
Try ka na ng grapefruit.
Sweet or bitter?
Sarap.
Masarap?
Sama? Gala.
Oh, get-
Kuhanin mo siya.
Pili ka
Ay,
na.
ambrosia. Si Ambo yan.
Ambrosia pala, yeah. Masarap eh. Matamis? You like it?
Yeah.
Get some.
Kung dito lang pwede.
Oh, sure.
Kaya
Get the
puji
red.
lang, puji. They have puji.
Eh, natikman mo siya. Masarap eh. Then better. Get to, Nay.
Like, wala.
Ay, puji.
Nakakita ng afam sa kabila eh. Yung mapula, Nay.
Oh, panindigan niyo pa daw yung makasakal sa western to.
Control. Ayan na. Ma-red ba yan? Yan. Oh, yan na. How much yan? $1.
Grapefruit.
So it's $2 each.
Gusto mo ma-try grapefruit?
Ano yung grapefruit?
Ito.
Ano ba yan? Oh, try. Baka maglukot siya ni nanay. Ang dami na na.
Hindi,
Prutas naman yan eh.
bubuksan ko yung ganyan ko doon ha.
Oo. Oh, kuha ka na. Bigyan mo siya.
Uwi na tayo.
Mama na
Oh, just give it.
Oh, picture me.
Try it. Is it good? Let's go pay. Do you have that bag? A big bag? Yeah, please. Thank you. Hi, ate. Hi to the vlog. Kami ay chop suey. We have sarap nun, dadami natin ng mushroom.
May fried chicken ba tayo?
Yeah, I do have two, whole thigh, leg and thigh, whole quarter. Yan na naman si Sunny. Oh, yun lang, hoy. Dahil mo na naman nakikita. Wow, look at this. Looks delicious. Parang ang sarap. Nayo, kung pwede ka lang yan.
Ayoko, wow.
Oh, they have this one. Oh. Pistachios. Oh, carrot cake. Wow. Lemon.
Parang popular yung card cake.
That one. Order na. Ay, how? What is that other one? Ginger, white. Pero na.
Wow!
Tomato and eggplant if they have. Yes, Nay. Madami pa.
Mommy, I'm gonna look around for baby corn. Can you ask Nanay to hold it?
I'm going in line. Subo lang na subo. Singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani. What's that,
Tigas
anak?
na ano yun? Kamas na.
Ano yun?
Singkamas Canada version.
Sarap. Tamis ba?
Nakita?
Oh, this one. Wow. Special sausage. Nak, ganun daw dapat ito pakasama matangkad. Uy, na cheese. Bakit? Bakit?
Ewan ko, ang hilig ko ngayon sa snacking. Ang hilig ko sa
Oh, they
mga...
have, fresh fruits. Juices, no?
Oh, fresh.
Ay, yung pang kid, no? Uy! Croissant.
Because windy, she might fly away.
Ano? You're gonna hold down you. We have to hold you down. This one, they have the kids zone here. And their customer service is here.
Nay ko na yun.
Ay, hold ka sa amin.
Hold mo siya.
Yan, ano yan daw?
Guys, outfit
Ayan.
of the day. That's why I was like, why are people...
PJ.
I
Naka-PJ
just
siya.
realized, I really just... Yeah.
Kasi pare-pare sila. Matchy sila nila Wolf and Saskia. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. No, nagpunta kami ng... This is the new farmer's market.
Luwa mo sa bahay.
Calgary Farm. You have tissue?
Ay,
You have tissue?
yeah.
Ayun.
Wait lang.
What is that, Banay?
The singkamas of
Oh, you don't like it?
That is so pretty eh.